speech. Today is 14 August and this year we are celebrating 77th Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of our country. On 14 August 1947, Pakistan became Independence Day from British rules. Independence Day is an important day in the life of every Pakistan. A great freedom fighter devoted their whole life for the independence of our country. So we should be grateful to our freedom fighters. Today we have fortunate that we are born in an independent country. So my dear, let's celebrate this Independence Day. Let's all work together and make our country the best country